Welcome to Harvey Cooper Cars. This is our 2017 67 plate Audi Q5 Quattro Sport, finished in the Ibis White. It's covered 65,000 miles. It does come with a service history as well. But just working our way around, we'll start at the front grille with the Quattro badge, with the dark titanium surround. We've got xenon headlights, 18-inch silver alloy wheels. Again, the grey contrast detailing continues to the lower door sills there. We do have keyless entry, and inside we've got the lovely black leather interior with the lighter headlining. Makes it a nice airy cabin. Lumbar support, you've got the automatic transmission with Audi's infotainment system, heated front seats, climate control. You've got cruise control as well, everything you'd expect. Have a look into the rear seats, where again the black leather continues. You can set the temperature in the rear as well. You've got a 12-volt point down there as well to charge your devices. And then working our way around to the back, there is a detachable tow bar which you can install, which is in the boot. You do have front and rear parking sensors, and of course the automatic tailgate as well. So the tow bar is in this bag here, and obviously you've got the parcel shelf as well. So the vehicle's offered in fantastic condition. If you'd like to know any more details about this car, or have a chat with one of our sales guys, please don't hesitate to get in touch.